In this lesson, we're looking at regular polygons and their angles. So first of all, let's talk about if a polygon is concave or convex. A polygon is convex if all diagonals are inside, in the interior of the polygon. Otherwise, it is concave. So for this first example here, I'm going to go ahead and draw all the diagonals. And you can see that all of the diagonals that connect non-adjacent vertices are inside of the polygon, so it's definitely concave. Also, this polygon has 5 sides, so it's a pentagon. I'm sorry, I said concave. Convex. I always like to say concave. So this polygon is a pentagon. It has 5 sides, and it's convex. Convex means that all the diagonals are inside. Now I'm going to start drawing diagonals, and I'm actually not going to draw them all in here. I only need to draw one diagonal that's outside of the polygon to show that it is concave. So it is a polygon, it is concave, it has 6 sides, so it's a hexagon. It's a concave hexagon. And lastly, this next one is not even a polygon because of the curves. The sides must all be segments. They cannot be curves. Now, once we know that it's the reason it's important to know concave or convex, that's a quick way to check on regular polygons. So polygons are either regular or irregular. Let's first look at the irregular polygons and see how they're different from the regular ones on the left. Here you can see that these two are concave, and none of the other polygons in the regular side are concave. Here you can see that the sides are not congruent for these polygons, but all the sides for the regular polygons are congruent. Also, the angles are not congruent. You could argue that, well, the star-looking one, all the sides are the same, but not all the angles are the same because you do have some acute angles and then you have some really obtuse angles. So the angles must be congruent. So what makes a polygon regular? All sides need to be congruent, all angles have to be congruent, and it needs to be convex. So for further reflection, how can you tell if a polygon is concave or convex? I always used to remember it like the polygon sort of caved in. So if it's dented in, you can automatically put a diagonal outside of it. If it's convex, when you connect any two vertices, it's going to be inside the polygon or one of the sides. Better yet, if you connect any two non-adjacent vertices, they have to be inside of the polygon. And you should write a definition of a regular polygon. What makes it regular? Well, congruent sides and congruent angles, and that automatically makes it convex.